In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar public. If you want to share a calendar so other people can view it, Google Calendar gives you a simple way to do that right from your browser. This is useful if you're publishing a team schedule, an event calendar, or anything else that needs to be visible to a wider audience. Just keep in mind that making a calendar public means its information can be seen by others, so it's important to choose the correct calendar before turning this setting on. To begin, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Once the page loads, look over to the left side of the screen. In that sidebar, you'll see a section called My Calendars. This is where all of your calendars are listed, including your main calendar and any additional ones you've created. Find the specific calendar that you want to share publicly. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the right one, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Once you've found it, move your cursor over the calendar name and click the 3 dots next to it. This opens a menu with more options for managing that calendar. From that menu, select Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the detailed settings page for that calendar, where you can control permissions and visibility options. Now scroll down until you reach the section called Access Permissions for Events. This area controls who can see the calendar and under what conditions. In this section, check the box next to Make Available to Public. As soon as you do that, Google Calendar will display a warning message to make sure you understand what this means. Read the message carefully because this step is important. Public visibility can allow other people to find and view the calendar, depending on the settings and what details are included in your events. If you're sure you want to continue, click OK on the warning message that pops up. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is now set to public. If needed, you can always return to the same settings and sharing page later to adjust or remove public access. Before you finish, it's a good idea to double-check the calendar's contents and confirm that everything visible there is appropriate for public viewing. That way you can share confidently while keeping your information organized and intentional.